Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. I'm doing a real quick recipe for keto, and I thought I'd share it with you real quick. It's going to be a very short video, and I'm going to be making better ones, better videos. My camera's charging. So, what I have here is 3 cups of cauliflower, 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese shredded. I got about a 1/4 cup to a 1/3 cup of parm, depends on how much you like. I got 3 cloves of garlic. Now you could do more or less depending on what you like. I love garlic. I could probably put 2 more, but I'd blow Dave's palate. And I have an egg, salt, pepper, a little oregano, or you could use Italian seasonings. And what I'm going to do is mix it up all together. And when I come back, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, and that's what it looks like mixed up. And I'm going to put it on a piece of parchment paper on a cookie sheet and flatten it out, and I will be back. Okay, it's on my parchment paper, and I flattened it out like a pizza crust, which this can be used for as well. I'm going to put it in a 425 oven. I don't know, I'm going to check in about 20 minutes because I want it to be crispy, like brown. I was thinking about putting more cheese on it, but I'm going to see, sometimes it makes it too soggy, so we'll see what it cooks like, and then I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so this is after 20 minutes. Do you see how good that looks? But I'm not done. It's cooking great, so I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese on top. Just a light kind of coating, and put it back in for probably, I don't know, 8 to 10 minutes. And then I'll show you when it comes out how good it looks. Okay, there it is. So I just took it out. You can see how deliciously brown it is. And I can smell the garlic, and it just makes me so happy. So what you can do is put sauce on it, put your favorite veg, you know, broil it or put it back in for 5. Or you could just cut it into breadsticks and dip it in, I call it gravy, but sauce. And delicious. So I'm going to let it cool down a little bit, and then I'm going to cut it, and then we'll probably eat it. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know down below if you would want more of these. Like I said, I will try to get my camera done and do it a little bit better for you guys, but I just had to show you guys this because it's one of my favorites. So, as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys so much, and if you're doing keto, I hope you try this. Even if you don't do keto and you want to try something different, delicious. And like I said, next time I'm going to do broccoli, because what I would like to do is the broccoli, and then once it's baked like this, put some ricotta on top, like mix ricotta and parm and a little mozz and some fresh garlic, and just put it on top like for 5 minutes to let it melt. And dear goodness, okay, I'm done. I'm hungry. I love you guys. See you later. Bye-bye.